In this class we are going to discuss a new topic, equality of vectors. Let's say that I have a vector and another vector called as b vector. Now if I am saying a vector is equal to b vector, I can only say a vector is equal to b vector provided the magnitude of a vector is equal to the magnitude of b vector and the direction of a vector is also equal to the direction of b vector. Let us try to understand this with an example. So b vector again as I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So I have given a vector is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap, b vector is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Now if I try to calculate the magnitude of a vector, so the mod of a vector or the magnitude of a vector would be given by square root of the magnitude of I cap, which is nothing but what is the magnitude of I cap? It would be 1. So it would be 1 square plus the magnitude of j cap, which is again 1. So it is 1 square, and magnitude of k cap, which is again 1. So it will be 1 square. This ultimately comes out to be root 3. If I try to find it out the magnitude of v vector, which is again because again the magnitude of I cap is 1, magnitude of j cap is 1, magnitude of k cap is 1. So 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, which again comes out to be root 3. Now I can see that the magnitude of a vector is root 3, magnitude of b vector is also root 3. So the magnitude of both the vectors are equal. What about the direction? Yes, this vector is 1 unit along x axis, 1 unit along y axis, 1 unit along z axis. The b vector is again 1 unit along x, 1 unit along y and 1 unit along z. So in this case I can say that the a vector is equal to b vector because magnitude and direction both are same. Let us take another example. Let us say that there is a c vector given by 2 I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap. Let us take another vector called as d vector, which would be given by I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. Now what would be the magnitude of c? The magnitude of c vector would be given by square root of I cap, the unit along x square plus unit along y square plus unit along z square, which comes out to be 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square, and this comes out to be 4 plus 4 plus 1, that is 9, and root over 9 is 3. For d vector it would be 1 square plus 2 square plus again 2 square. This again comes out to be 9. Square root of 9 is nothing but 3. So I can see that the magnitude of c vector is 3, the magnitude of d vector is again 3. So can I say that c and d vectors are equal? The answer is no, because the direction is not same. It is 2 unit along x axis and d vector is only 1 unit along x axis. So that itself conclude the directions are not same. So in this case c vector is not equal to D vector.